Is WhatsApp not sending the verification code on your iPhone? Don't worry, here are the fixes that actually work. Let's go step by step. First, open Settings. Tap Wi-Fi and turn Wi-Fi off. Go back and tap Cellular. Turn cellular data on. Then tap Cellular Data Options and enable data roaming. Now reopen WhatsApp and request the verification code again. Still not working? Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap Messages. Turn iMessage off temporarily. Then scroll to Message Filtering and tap Unknown and Spam. Disable Filter Unknown Senders. Now open WhatsApp again and request the code. If you still don't receive it, try using a VPN. Download a trusted VPN app from the App Store. Open it, tap Connect, and allow VPN configuration. Once connected, request the verification code again. If nothing works, remove your SIM card and insert it into another phone. Request the WhatsApp code again. When the SMS arrives on that phone, enter the code on your iPhone. That usually solves the issue instantly. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp fixes.